Okay, Fenel, this is for example, this is your website, the front of your website, and this here is the back end of your website. This is your username, and this is your password, which you will have in an email that I will be sending you. We're going to log in, and you don't have to worry about all this that you see here. We're going to worry about this section. And you are going to worry mostly about the section that says pages. So we're going to click on pages, all pages. And as you can see, here are all your pages: about, careers, contact. It's the same thing that you have here. About, services, employee, careers, contact. Let's suppose that we want to go and fix something at this page, the page of services. We go to the back end of the website. We click right here. When you put your mouse on top, all these links will appear. You will click on edit. The next thing you want to do, you want to click on edit with Elementor. Now, here is the page. Okay. Let's suppose that you told me something about fixing, changing pictures. I don't think you refer to any of these pictures, but anyway, when you put your mouse on top of any of these boxes, you can see that this little pencil right here lights up. See? You click on the pencil. Now on this side, you're going to get all the parameters that control this section. See, when you click on this section, you see the image right there. When you click on this section, for example, you see everything that belongs to this cell. When you click on the pencil once again, you got this title services. Here's the title services. When you click on this other pencil, is this paragraph here. You see the paragraph right here. And so on, so on. But for example, if we go to, let's say we want to change this image. The way this image was put in here was like this. You click on the little pencil, you click on the image, and you have more images here. But of course, you may not find the image that you want. So you may want to upload a new image. You click on upload, select files, and I'm going to see if I have any image. Let me see, downloads. Here's one. There's a building. This is not at all, this is not your image at all, but I'm going to use it just to give you an example. Now the image is here, is available. See, it's right, it's this one. When you click on this image, you click on insert media, there's your new image. And that's how simple it is. And once you're done, you're happy the way this looks, you click update down here, and the image will be updated. That's all you need to do. If you want to change, for example, this title here, again, you move your mouse on top of all the objects, and you see how the sections light up, and there's this little pencil. You see? You click on the little pencil, here it is. How come this is so big? Well, when you click on the little pencil, every parameter that has to do with that section is going to show here. We have, let's say that we want something else. We want your name, Fenel. There you go. Now, if we click here, because all this represents this box. We click on style, you can change the color. Let's put it red. There you go. You can see it went red, or you can put it blue. Let's do a yellow. There you go. You click outside so that this little thing closes. Now, let's go back to style. Click on style, click on title, typography. You click on this little pencil. The size, there you go. See how it gets smaller gets bigger. I mean, this is amazing because you can do so many different things. The weight. This means how thick or thin or bold the letter is. If we put it to 900, it got much bolder. If you put it to 100, it goes thinner. See? Of course, every font changes. This is the font right here. Let's suppose we want Arial. There you go. Let's suppose you want Verdana. There you go. We're going to change this to 200. Sorry, to 900. It got much thicker, see? So basically, whatever page it is, and once you're done, you click update. And to get out of the system, you click here, exit to dashboard. Okay. And you're back into this section. So this is basically all you need to know at this point. Okay, I know that you had a problem with the main picture of the main page. Let me see. I'm going to go to the home page, and I'm going to go down all the way down. I think I removed that picture, so maybe it's another picture. But for example, you see this picture down here. This is on the home page. So we go back to the back page of your website. Click on all pages. Now select home page. Click on edit. Again, click edit with Elementor. We wait for it to open. Here's the page. See how I put my mouse on top and all these little boxes light up. See? Here's one. Let's change this image. We click on the pencil. Now you go to this side here, to the left side. Here's the image. Instead of that image, I'm going to put this one with the gun. Insert media. There you go. Now this image is way too big. So what do? We go here to style. Yes, the size. See? And you can make it smaller, bigger, whatever you want to do. This is very simple. You can do more than that. If you go to the bands, you want to put the margin between this and this. You see this little link here? You click it so that you can select different sizes. If you have it all together, whatever you put here, 100, it's going to put all the boxes. So you don't want to do this. I'm going to put 0 first. And now I'm going to click here. And let's say that we want this to be separated from the top. I'm going to put 200. See how it separates itself from the top? So you can do many things with this program. Padding, the same thing. Animation, you can have an animation that when the image, for the image to go inside, to go in slightly, fade in, or fade down. See, you can put effects. The duration of the effect, the delay. Now the background, if in this area you want sort of a color, you see, there's a color. So you just have to remember one thing, Fenel. You go around here, you click on the pencil, and then this is the section where you make all the adjustments. And supposing that you want to add an additional section to any of your pages, say you want to add something, you click on add section here. I wanted to have 1 cell, 2 cells, 4, 3 cells. I'm going to do 2. There you go. When I click on the plus sign, now I have all the options here to see what I want to put. I want to put a heading, I want to put an image. Let's say I want to put an image. I click on it, drag it. There we go. There's going to be an image there. Again, when you click on this pencil, you can select the style. You can select the image to be a certain size, smaller, bigger, whatever you want it to be. Now I'm going to click on this box. I want to put, I don't know, a video. I drag the video here. There you go. Again, you're going to click on the little pencil. Here's the YouTube link for that video. So you will go to YouTube. Let's see, YouTube. and select any video. I'm just going to select any video. This one, relax. Okay, and you copy this over here, all the string of information, then you go back to the back page and you put it right here, paste, and there's your video with relax. Once you're done doing whatever it is that you want to do, then you update, and this page is ready to go. If you want to put, let's suppose that you want to put a heading, okay? We're going to go to this square here to go back to that section where you have all the options. Heading, I'm going to drag it. I want it to be on top of this. There you go. There you go. Now I'm going to say, this is the title. Okay? All in this section is where you play with the color of the font. I want it black. The typography, I want it to be a little bit thinner. There you go. That's very nice, but a little bit too much. Let me see, 400. There you go. I want it to be center. Okay. Let me see. Here it is. You go center. It's very simple. And again, once you're done, you click on update. So basically, you can add new sections. Okay. Or you can edit the pages that you already have and the sections that you already have. You just have to work on this. You have to click on the little pencil, go to this side, and look at the different parameters that you have to make changes on this section. Okay? And finally, to get out of this, once you have updated, exit to dashboard. And there's one last thing I want to show you, which is, let me see. Taking forever. Okay. Let's suppose you want, we go to all pages. Let's suppose you want to add one additional page. The way you do this is you click on add new, the title of the pages, okay, my employees, for example. Then in here you can write the content, or you can use the Elementor, which is the editor. You click on Elementor, you add the section, you click on the plus sign, and then you start. You want to put a heading here. Okay, now I want to go back to everything. Then you want to put like columns. Okay. So I'm going to put columns under the heading. There you go. And then you start building your page. And once you're done, you publish. And then once you're done publishing, I'm going to publish this and then I'll erase. Okay? Now I'm going to get out of here, exit to the dashboard. I'm going to go to the next thing you need to do. You publish the page, but the page is not showing on the menu. Let me see. See, the new page is not showing. So you need to make it show here. So you go back to your back page, you go to Appearance, Menus, and you look for the page that you created here, Employees, Add to Menu. Here it is. You just got into the menu. You can move it, the order of the menu, and then you save the menu. And once you do that, it's going to show up here. So this is all you need to know for now. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email, send me an email, and I'll help you out.